breaking down the set now.
No!
The most difficult and the boring part of Lego. Enjoy?
Yeah.
Sad that you're breaking apart the best set which you had made. Well, this was the one which I had created.
Yeah, can you break this though? I can't do it.
And now we are breaking it apart to create this one.
It looks pretty cool, the new one. And then actually you can spin this and fall down.
Alright,
That's
Jan.
actually, I don't know if that will happen. We'll see that when we finish it.
Alright. So we finally managed to break down the big Lego set, which was 31142, which is a roller coaster actually, the space roller coaster. And now Jiansh will be making the second set in that series. So Jiansh,
Yeah.
ready to make the second set?
Yeah.
Alright, so can you show everyone which set are you making again?
This one. And actually also you see the little gear here, you can spin that and it'll fall down.
Okay, Jiansh, let's start building it.
Okay. I made like most of the rocket.
Can you show everyone?
So can I show?
Yeah.
Like there's two rockets. One is a shuttle attached on a big rocket. So I made half of the big rocket. Let's see, guys. Wow. Let's see the top.
You turn it around.
Yeah, that's kind of
That's
feel.
the back side.
Yeah, that's. I'm going to fix that later and make it better.
Alright. Can you show what all is made until now?
Yeah, I made in this.
That's the base.
And we have this.
And
I'm going
that's-
to attach this and then the shuttle here.
Perfect, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jian, so show all the viewers now how much is complete of this.
Yeah, the rocket is made with the shuttle on it. It's all complete.
Well done, Jiansh.
And also, guys, do
Okay,
you know
show the features. Come on.
one feature is that you can do this. Boom, the
Okay,
light
that's the
comes.
light there. Okay.
Then we
there.
have this other feature.
Oh, show that again, Jiansh.
Okay, you just to
Go
make it work,
up.
you just push this up.
Okay.
Then you spin this and it falls.
That's nice.
And the other
What else?
feature is like you have this rubber piece here to stop
That
it from
protects it, right?
breaking, and then you have this spinning satellite at the top. It can spin as much as you want.
Well done, Jiansh.
Thanks.
Beautiful, Jiansh. Can I really see this? Can you show that again?
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow. Hold on. Show that. Wow, Jiansh. Beautiful. So, Jiansh, I think the next one should be Spider-Man or Iron Man, okay?
No, not that.
Then
No.
what do you want to make?
I want to make
Let's make a Spider-Man, no?
no. Let's make London.
Okay, the architecture.
I mean Paris. Because London, right?
London.
Yeah, London.
Alright then.
Paris is at my nani's house, so I'll make that next time.
Alright, so we'll move to the architecture then. Lego architecture series, okay? From the creator series, now we're going to the architecture series. Alright then, signing off. Bye.